everyone, welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you're a cat owner who's tired of scratched up furniture or endless fur cleanup, this video is for you. Today we're taking a look at the top 5 best sofas for cats, each chosen for its durability, comfort, easy cleaning, and pet-friendly materials. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's jump right in. Number 1, Bedsure Fluffy Cat Sofa. First up is the Bedsure Fluffy Cat Sofa, a plush and practical haven for your furry friend. This sofa features a 3-sided bolster that's perfect for cats or small dogs who like to rest their heads on a raised edge. It creates a cozy nest while supporting their neck and spine, so they can snooze in comfort all day long. What makes this sofa extra comfy is the filling, a 2-to-1 blend of chopped foam and polyester fiber. This combination gives the bed just the right amount of softness while still holding its shape. Imagine sinking into a pillow that never goes flat. That's what your pet will experience. The exterior is wrapped in ultra-soft faux fur, providing the warmth cats love, yet it's breathable enough for year-round use. Even on hot days, it won't feel stuffy. A thoughtful feature is the non-slip bottom. Even if your cat likes to launch into the bed or slide across the floor, it stays put. And with its sleek look, this sofa adds an elegant touch to any room. Number 2, Bedsure Orthopedic Cat Sofa. Next is the Bedsure Orthopedic Cat Sofa, ideal for aging pets or cats with sensitive joints. It's built with a high-density egg crate foam cushion that distributes weight evenly, so there's no excessive pressure on any part of your cat's body. Think of it like a memory foam mattress for humans, designed to support the spine and joints while relieving tension. This sofa has a 4-sided bolster design, which creates a sense of security and lets cats curl up against any side they choose. If you've ever watched a cat sleep in a tight ball or stretched out with paws tucked under, you know how much they appreciate options. There's also a lowered entry point, making it easier for older cats or those with mobility issues to get in and out. The outer fabric is a velvety flannel that's incredibly soft to the touch. Your cat will want to snuggle in right away. And when life happens, we know cats. The waterproof liner protects the foam from accidents, while the zippered cover is machine washable for easy cleanup. Number 3, MEWOOFUN Couch Cat Sofa. Moving along, we have the MEWOOFUN Couch Cat Sofa, a chic and functional piece designed to keep your pet cool and comfortable. Measuring roughly 22 by 17.7 by 10.8 inches, it's sized for medium cats or small dogs. What sets this bed apart is its elevated design. The base sits a few inches off the ground, allowing air to circulate underneath. This off-the-ground structure helps regulate temperature in warmer months and keeps your pet away from cold or damp floors. The frame is sturdy and made from high-quality materials, so it can support up to 30 pounds without wobbling. If you have an active cat or a dog who likes to lounge with flair, this sofa stays solid. The fabric cover is removable, soft, and breathable, and it's machine washable, which makes keeping the bed fresh a breeze. One of the best aspects is how quickly you can put it together, less than 10 minutes from box to complete setup. Its lightweight frame also makes it easy to move around your home or bring outside on a sunny day.
Number 4, MEWOOFUN Elevated Cat Sofa. Fourth on our list is the MEWOOFUN Elevated Cat Sofa, which takes the idea of an off-ground pet bed even further. With the same dimensions as the previous MEWOOFUN bed, its 5-inch elevation promotes airflow on all sides, keeping pets cool in summer and dry in winter. The consistent height also helps relieve pressure on joints, making it a great option for older pets. The removable fabric cover is soft and easy to wash. Just unzip it, toss it in the laundry, and it'll be fresh for your cat's next nap. The sturdy frame, made from durable materials, can hold up to 30 pounds. That means you don't have to worry about sagging or tipping, even if your cat launches itself onto the bed at high speed. Assembly is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. Because it's so lightweight, you can take it anywhere in the house or even set it up outside. Its stylish design fits seamlessly into most decor styles, from modern minimalist to cozy boho.
Number 5. Bedsure Washable Cat Sofa. Last but not least is the Bedsure Washable Cat Sofa, a comfy and adorable option that pays attention to both style and functionality. Inspired by the look of a teddy bear, this sofa is cute enough to double as a playful accent piece in your home. It uses dense bubble faux fur, giving it a plush feel and providing extra warmth, especially nice for colder months. 3 bolstered sides offer excellent neck and head support for cats or small dogs. The cushioning inside features the same 2-to-1 blend of chopped foam and polyester fill used in the Bedsure Fluffy Cat Sofa, offering the best of both softness and structure. The medium firm support helps relieve pressure on joints and muscles, which is especially beneficial for senior pets, but younger cats enjoy it just as much for long naps or lounging sessions. Cleaning this sofa is simple. The cover zips off and is machine washable and safe for low-heat tumble drying. This means you don't have to worry about fur, dander, or small accidents ruining the bed. Beyond its comfort and easy care, the teddy bear-inspired design adds a whimsical charm to any space. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best sofas for cat owners. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more honest reviews on home essentials and pet-friendly products. Thanks for watching Tech Talk Reviews. See you in the next one.